Hello everyone, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can fix your TikTok age restriction problem in your TikTok app. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and we will simply just dive into our video now. So if you are over 18 and your account is accordingly as well, the information is correct over there, you haven't violated any of the rules, then what you can do is tap on this profile icon below right corner file, tap on it, then it will simply tap on this three horizontal line on top right corner and go to settings and privacy over there, and you will simply just go to this option called content preference and content and display section. Tap on it, and here you can see restricted mode. Simply tap on that option. If this particular mode is on, you will simply turn off it. Then you will go back and check the video out as you would like to. But if you are underage, for that case you cannot do anything. But if you have entered a wrong information for your birth date, what you can do is simply you have to create another account, delete this account, or create another new account, and then you can add in your correct information and get access to all of the contents without any restrictions. So yeah, this is how you can simply do it, everybody, and I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and thank you so much for watching our video till the end, and I'll see you guys next time.